Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting a beginning crochet series focused on basic stitches. In this video, we will learn how to crochet single crochet in 3 different ways. And you will see how each one changes the texture of your fabric. We will crochet a single square and work through both loop, front loop and back loop. This is a great way to understand how stitch placement changes the look. Let's start. So I'm going to use today Kata. This is the Spanish brand, mercerized cotton, and my favorite tulip crochet, 2 and 2 millimeters. Let's start with the foundation chain. Let's do 10 and so yeah. So now we have 10. Let's do 5 more. So now we have 15. We will begin with the most common version, single crochet through both loops. The first row, which is like the same for every version. Let's do that. Put the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We have to yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. This is the single crochet. So we have 15 single crochet. Turn your work. So now we're doing 1 single crochet for the next row, and so now we are doing through the both loops. This is the V shape. So this is the front loop, this is the back loop, and we're doing through the both. So I put my hook under the both. Now we have 2 rows. So the third, we do the same. I put hook under the both loops. So we finished. We made 15 rows of single crochet through the both loops. And it creates solid, even fabrics. You see it's the same from the both sides. A little reminder, if you live in Barcelona and would like to have offline classes and to meet like-minded people, please come to my classes. We have actually three types of courses. One is the for crochet course from the beginners, from zero. You will learn all basics offline. And second one is weekly meetings. Like if you already experienced and you would like to meet like-minded people, make new friends and spend time together. So this is option for you. And also every week we have workshops. Stay tuned. So yeah, this is 3 options. And if you are in Barcelona, we're happy to meet you offline. Now let's work single crochet through the front loop only. So we start with the same 15 chain loops. one just for the next row, and 15. So like we did before, the first row is just single crochet through the back loop. So again we have 15 single crochet. Turn your work. Now let's work single crochet through the front loop. Front, it's that turn to us. So you see this is V shape. So this is our working loop. This is the front loop that turns to you. And this is the back loop. So now let's do to the front loop. We do one chain for the next row, and we put only under the front loop. Yarn over, we put our hook in the front, yarn over, pull through this loop, again yarn over and pull through two. So let's continue doing this till the end. Turn your work. So let's continue. One for the next row, and again only through the front loop. So not like this, like this. Pull through the front loop, yarn over. Now you have two, yarn over and through both. So let's continue and let's do again 15 rows. Oh, this is the what we get. You see it's a bit different. So let's finish it. Working into the front loop creates a different texture and a softer, more flexible fabric. And the third one through the back loop. So let's start with the same 15 chain. First row the same, single crochet to every loop. One chain for the next row. And so again, we have this V shape, every V shape. So now we are going to put our hook under the back loop. So insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the two loops. So you see like it's small stair. Let's continue until the end together. Again, one chain for the next row and again. So we put insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through two. Let's do it till the end. You see this the texture is a bit different. It's like a ribbon. So let's continue and do 15 rows. So here we have 15 rows of single crochet through the back loop. Back loop creates visible horizontal lines and ribbed texture. This is a single crochet through the both loop. This is the single crochet through the first loop, and this is a single crochet through the back loop. Here you can see how the same stitch looks completely different depending on where you insert your hook. These small changes are used in many crochet patterns and help create texture and structure. So again, this is the just more solid shape. This is like more light with the horizontal lines, but thin without any structure. And here through the back loop, it has ribbed structure and visible horizontal lines. In the next beginner videos, we will continue learning basic stitches and simple patterns. So stay tuned, subscribe for the channel to get more inspiration, and see you soon. And of course, if you would like to get free pattern of this table decoration here, fill the form below, answer some questions, and I will send you free PDF pattern of this beautiful decoration. See you. Thank you for your time. See you. Ciao, ciao.